Hey everyone, I have a Project Life spread to share with you. This is going to be week 4, and I use the Ali Edwards Story Kit Action to bring this together. I had lots of reds and pinks and yellows in my photos, so I just decided to go with that. And I've printed out a journaling card I made myself, one I put together, and this one I'm just going to cover up with a photo. This one, just gonna cover it up. And then I printed out some chipboard and lots of arrows. And then I'm just gonna put this together and see what I come up with. I also have this as my main card, and I extracted this, but I printed it too small, so I'm gonna go back and reprint it. But that is what I'm gonna put together. Another 6x12 Project Life spread for this year, and I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna switch over to voiceover now. Okay, so since I have everything mostly digitally planned out, this is going to come together super fast. So I'm just going to lay out the photos where I want them. Well, actually, I'm going to lay them out, and then I'm going to shuffle them several times because I didn't like the arrangement. And sometimes that happens. I plan it out digitally, and then I see it printed, and then I want to change things. So that's kind of what happened here. I decided to use the good parts and the hard parts, and the good parts I used up at that photo of my son and husband being absolutely hilarious, and then the hard parts I used for dealing with my knee, which has some tendonitis, I believe. It's just been a hot mess. If you follow Instagram, then you probably know all about it. I am rearranging the cards again, and now I'm going to make my own chipboard. I'm going to do it for the pink one that says hard work looks like this, a yellow heart, and then the one that says go. I'm going to do that for 3 of the pieces. And I wound up not making a chipboard for the left side, but I figured it was okay and it balanced out because I have that fussy cutted do the thing that I extracted from the journaling card. So I figured that balances out. I got some gunk on that yellow piece. I just used my adhesive remover and it worked perfectly. For the aw yeah photo, I'm kind of cutting out the shape of it. Sometimes I like to do that, sometimes I don't. It gives it a little more definition. I put it with my son's hilarious photo of him doing basketball in his short shorts. He's growing a lot, and sometimes we don't realize, or he doesn't realize, that he needs to get new shorts. But it still was an awesome photo. So I am finishing up with the fussy cutting of this chipboard, and then this particular one I'll put above my son's photo that says go, and then I'll just trim off the extra that I don't need. The hard work looks like this is my husband installing some lights. He'd never done it before, but he did an awesome job. So I had to put a little chipboard right there. Gonna pop dot the good parts and then a little arrow. All right, I stepped away from this layout because I knew it needed some more journaling, and I wound up getting my Persnickety Prints order. So what I'm doing right now is replacing all the printed photos with Persnickety. I much prefer Persnickety photos for Project Life, just so that I know that they're archival safe and they are our family photos. So I want them to be archival safe. And then I also, once I stepped away, I added a journaling card that I'm going to put together in just a minute. And it says, action looks like this, or taking action looks like this. It's this card right here. And what I did is, since I focused on the pinks, orange, reds, and yellows, I just changed the journaling card to match that color scheme because there were some blues and blacks at the bottom. And I decided to use one of the labels of 4 since it was week 4, and I'm going to put that kind of as a tab, and I took a digital stamp and I said, I cut it apart, the digital stamp, and I had it say, yes, just this. Then I'm going to add a little bit of journaling. Forgot that you probably shouldn't use micron pens on my matte paper. They just don't write smooth, but I'm going to learn my lesson when the pen just basically breaks right after I journal about my knee. Journaled about getting together with some friends, and then dealing with my knee and making sure that I do my exercises. And then this page is pretty much done, and I absolutely love how it came together. And I hope you enjoyed another Project Life Friday. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!